My name is Preetham. I'm from India, but basically I'm currently located in Netherlands. I am an in-house strategy consultant and product manager with around 6+ years of experience now in three different countries. So I worked in India, UK, and Germany. Parallelly, I got a chance to work in three different industries. But after my MBA at ESFE Business School, even though this business school is a target business school for different consulting firms, I was struggling in order to get interviews. And I'm working with Andre and Gaurav and whole team since last 6-7 months now, and it's really been a wonderful journey. For me, to be honest, I would say there are two main challenges that I've faced. Is first of all, I was not able to get interview calls because I don't have a consulting experience. And second is more like the territory is completely different for me. And let me explain first point. So it's even though my business school was a part of target business schools for McKinsey, BCG, Bain, but it was really specific for specific location for Paris or something like that. And these offices need language expertise. And I'm coming from India. I am not native language speaker for this. So I was actually targeting different offices of these companies. For that, you need to network. The second part is completely, I'm transferring myself into Europe. I think most of the Indians will agree with me. In India, we have a different kind of system in campus placement. And to be honest, I also studied in government schools and top technical universities. I've never had to connect with people and ask for referrals and get a job. I simply apply or get an in-campus interview, and that's it. This is a different ballgame here in Europe. You don't rely on such kind of. Yeah, your university will help you in order to connect with people with a career fair, but it's not like they'll come here to give you an interview. So it was really difficult for me to break this, even first step to apply and get an interview call. The second part of case preparing and all this is different aspect. So to first of all to break into this first step, I approached Andre, I think from Prep Launch, right? I was working on Prep Launch with different candidates, and there I got to know from Andre and Gaurav. And since then, I would say, I've improved on my skills in terms of networking and case prep. Networking, it's really important, guys. You need to understand it. It's a two-way process. It's not only you getting into that; they also want you to know. Okay, and I did not know this. So specifically, how can you talk up with them, and how basically you can communicate with them? It's really important for you, everybody, to understand. Not even in terms of consulting, in any kind of a job. Okay, it's not. It's really important to communicate, and that's what I learned from Andre. And it's, as Mark mentioned, it's simply I take a look at this form. I see, okay, hey, where is Andre? Does Andre know anybody in this? I simply ask him, and that's how his magical touch works. He simply used to text me back early in the morning. Hey, Pritham, at 6 a.m. you have been referred to Bain. Cool. Like, wow, my day is made already. So this, it's one part is referral, but another part is also learning how to network. This is not just to get into the company. It's for the entire career of your life, remaining 20, 30 years, whatever. So I would say this is a very good learning opportunity, and I'm still learning a lot. We're going to be hired in a senior position, and you cannot get a referral from a consultant or an analyst. So for such kind of roles, you need a referral or a strong communication from a partner, principal, or somebody who is higher in the food chain. And there you need the networking. So that is the very important point, I would say. In terms of networking, I would say two main things is first of all, with whom to connect is really important. And then second part is how to connect. So whom to connect, as I already said, for people like us with experience, it's very important to target specific people in the company, looking at the industry and all. But how to connect is basically, I learned a lot while talking with Andre, Gaurav, and even Mark, Chris, Aishwarya, and all the team. So we do this mock, we also do this mock, and we try to enhance our skills in terms of how to connect, what things to be said during a call, or how basically can network with different people in different countries, because there are different cultural backgrounds and aspects. And Andre and Gaurav being the experts in this industry, it really, they looks after us and give us tailored advice looking at the specific region, how you talk with this person. In this region, how can you talk with this person? It's really important in test terms, with whom to connect and how to connect. I got to learn a lot. In terms of application strategy, I would say, yeah, it's a really good opportunity while talking with different colleagues of mine, where we all are targeting in what are their strategies. So I get to explore new ideas and new options in terms of getting into consulting. So this has been a huge learning curve for me along the way. Yeah, before 6 months, I was like Mark only. I was also applying over LinkedIn and all, even sending random messages to people on LinkedIn. Hey, I would like to connect with you. Could you please, spare a few moments? I would like to have a coffee chat.
30 minutes of a call.
30 minutes. I won't
Sorry,
take much of your time, and at the end, you will see. So it's all this. Yeah. I mean, this is good. This is how you learn. So, okay, failure is a part of the process, but with the help of Andre, yeah, I got to know what kind of this is writing messages, but how to write it. It's really important. And now I can see, even with our friends, we generally talk, and when I look back at myself, okay, wow, this message I sent to this person 6 months ago. Oh my God, even I might have not replied to this guy. Okay,
Same here.
Same, yeah, exactly. Even I sent some emails to partners. And that is the horrific thing, okay? It's really, I mean, you're sending an email to a partner and asking directly for a referral in a mail. Wow, that's not acceptable. He's not your friend, okay? And so these things I learned a lot now. I mean, it's email writing. I've been working for 6-7 years. I know how to write emails, but in this kind of networking, it's a different thing. It's not like your professional email. Yeah, now I look back and I apply when even talk with coffee chats with partners. I got a chance actually to meet a couple of partners in person in Munich with the help of Andre. So we actually went for a walk for a couple of hours and we talked a lot of things about this. So this has helped me to widen my network. At the same time, this has helped me to improve my network to the specific industry type. I was sending requests to any random guy, but now I am doing it tailored way with the help of Andre and team. Yes, couple of interview invites I already have right now. Yeah, fingers crossed. I have one in Middle East and one in Amsterdam. But yeah, it's a vacation time. But this has only happened because of the coffee chats that I had. Okay, simply. Without any referrals or without any coffee chats, you will not get a call. So right now I'm having 2 interview calls. So my September is already sorted with this. But thanks to the coffee chats and referrals that I got. I'm a fighter. I would say I'll do it. I know all of us are fighters, but at one point of time, you need to hold a hand of an expert to walk on the path. It's simply that way you will achieve it.